Hey there, YouTube. I'm back and I'm in World 7, your Indiegogo adventurer guide over here, coming back from the Utah storm of 2020. It happened back in 2011, if I remember right, that we had over 70 miles per hour winds, and now we've had about 90 or higher miles per hour wind, which, I mean, it's 2020, so what do you expect? But anyway, I'm not here to talk about that. I just wanted to share with you why I haven't been posting recently. But anyway, we're back at it. Xbox Game Pass Quest will be up tomorrow, and we'll be back to normal schedule after this. Let's get down to the business of talking of the Indiegogo product that caught my attention while the power was out. And since my internet just got connected about 30 minutes ago as I'm recording this, we are going to talk about FRESKO V8 Ocho. Wait, I just said it in Spanish. 8. The FRESKO V8. It's a vacuum thingy-majiggy for your kitchen, and this is how you spell it. And trust me, you're gonna want this product if you gave a damn about your food and you don't eat McDonald's every day, all day. But then again, I've done it too. I've been there. You can change. Just let me help you, and let's help each other. Yo, that's money.
Throwing away money is certified crazy. Yet that's exactly what happens when you throw out spoiled food. $3 avocados, $6 salmons, $10 steaks.
Wait, why would I throw them away? I eat them before they go bad.
How can you cook when your food can't even survive the fridge? Introducing
Well, just get a better
FRESKO,
fridge.
the hands-free vacuum sealer. With just one
I like
touch,
its design, by the way.
FRESKO seals your
Like,
food
this is what I wanted to share
airtight
with
and
you.
keeps
I
it fresh
love
up
its
to
design.
5 times longer.
The 5-time
FRESKO has
thing,
optimized settings
stick
for
to the
both
end of the
mixed
video and you'll
and
see
dried
why I
foods.
think it's
Whether
like...
it's meat, fish,
I'm a little
vegetables,
iffy on the 5 times
fruits,
thing, but...
leftovers, chips, or even eggs. FRESKO keeps your fridge full and your trash can empty. And when it's time to cook, your food comes out
your
with all
belly
the
full
flavor
and your
moisture
toilet
you
full.
expect.
2.
No freezer burn, no dehydration, and you can taste the difference.
Oh, for sure. When you like
cool,
press stuff, that's pretty cool, guys.
Online?
You could, but you'd be missing out on FRESKO's brilliant hands-free design. Other vacuums have useless steps that only slow you down.
Yeah, that's boring.
FRESKO
that is so
turns
true.
all
Like
the unwanted fat and
opening,
does
blocking,
everything in
making
just
sure
3
it's
steps.
tight.
Simply insert your bag.
And if
press
this
the
is
button,
plug and play, that's
FRESKO
pretty cool.
Does the rest. For
That's why it
pre-cut
caught my
bags,
attention.
FRESKO even seals automatically, and it does it all in just 30 seconds. For roll bags,
And whoever's
FRESKO
doing their
has a
marketing
dedicated seal
or
bag
video
to use
recording
before
is
vacuuming.
doing pretty
For
good.
reusable bags or Tupperware,
Hit the like
FRESKO
button
has
if you
an
agree.
external vacuum with an air tube built in. When used with wine, it'll
Down there.
preserve the quality and taste. Plus, while other vacuum sealers need up to a minute rest in between seals, FRESKO only needs 5 seconds.
FRESKO's great for beginners, but it can grow with you too.
I like how they
Vacuum
changed
sealing
it,
is the
and now
perfect way
they're trying to bring the
marinate your
image of
food.
he's a
and
pro.
It's the first step to sous vide cooking. And for leftovers,
Which,
instead of
I mean,
using
he's
a
got an Apple
microwave,
Watch with
you can
cellular, so
boil
I guess
your vacuum food.
that's as pro as you
It
get.
reheats your food without getting it too mushy or drying
What
out.
about my
Even
microwave?
just
What if
opening
I
the
like my
fridge is
radiation
better.
being
Because
shot at
vacuum
my
sealing
food? It
makes
adds
everything
taste to
smaller
it.
and
Hit the
easier to
subscribe
organize.
button if you
And
agree.
when you're finished, FRESKO's bottom lid comes off for easy washing.
Okay, the cleaning is nice. I
FRESKO
like
is the
that.
most affordable, convenient way to make your food last 5 times longer.
I like how they
Pre-order
use the
fast
word
food, and the
affordable
next
right
time
there.
you watch this, you'll have everything you need to make this.
Oh,
FRESKO,
I'm
the
hungry.
hands-free vacuum sealer that keeps your food
anybody want to
fresh.
go Chick-fil-A? So right here we got the website, and let's look at it. So I've already watched all this stuff, and if you're liking what you're seeing and you like the Indiegogo products, please don't forget to support the channel with a subscribe at the bottom, plus the bell activated so you get notified whenever I release these Indiegogo products. And if you have any questions, hit me up on social medias and in the comment section below. So anyway, FRESKO V8 hands-free 5-in-1 food vacuum sealer is on Indiegogo, which by the way is being backed up on another site. I think it's called In Demand. But anywho, you can get your perks here, which is, I find it weird that it says 1 out of 300 has been claimed. I don't like, I just feel like that's a little weird, and it does say December 2020, so it's a little ways out, and the world might end by then. If you're an American, that's probably what you believe based on the election system. But as you can see, you're looking at 40% off, $60. Normal price, it says $98. Which then leads me to this thing. So apparently the MSRP, right, it's going to be $100. If you go down to the bottom, right here, this is where it breaks me. The FRESKO versus others. Why is it saying the price is $49 when you just announced at the beginning that you're charging 98 MSRP. And so you're getting a big discount. Yet over here, you're telling me it's 49. So you see the discrepancy there? I'm not saying the product's not worth it. I personally think for $50, like, sign me up. Like, let's go. Even for $100, I'd be like, let's go. But let's be honest about it, right? Don't tell me. Don't be supermarket, third world country, Latin America, or India selling me, you know, like, let's call it 50 and even and spit on it and shake it, you know? Have you ever watched Borat, by the way? Highly recommend watching that movie. But that's not where all these weird things don't click in, besides a misspelling error on this section. Actually, it's not even a misspelling, it's just, you know, you need a space. But then again, I'm not a Nazi, grammar Nazi, so I'll let that one pass. But there's this other thing where it says that if you scroll up, where is this section on the So over here, it says, you know, coffee powder, 365 days, because normally they're 30 to 90. And I'm no food mathematician, so I'm not gonna say I'm the professional over here, but if you are, let me know in the comment section below. Yet, I feel like the math doesn't add up, because if you go down to their actual like timeline, it says right here, the concept of FRESKO V8 and market analysis was done in 2019-10. That was less than a year ago that we're talking about. Yet, you telling me they've done the testing on bagging coffee powder and then being able to keep it for a year, which is 5 times, according to their math, longer than the other way of doing it. So that's where I'm kind of like, okay, what's going on here? Plus, there's a video in here, I won't show you, but it says 4-in-1 rather than 5-in-1. So definitely that was now cool. But besides those points, and maybe there's one more, but I forgot it actually, it's not that important. I think the product marketing is stellar. Like, their site feels good, looks good, plays good, and it's quite simple and easy right here. You just order and you're good. So, and it, you know, they keep all the infographics, the video is done right, the features is true. I mean, I've done my little research and now it's saying pro over here, but from what I've seen, it is true. Like, this thing does put other price-wise and functionality quite a bit to shame. 1,348 backers plus the, I guess, the 1,349 on top, whatever. Like, there's 1,000 people that have given this people like over 100K, so they might not, they're onto something. So to wrap things up, I think the product is promising. I think it looks good, or I wouldn't have made a video on it. Of course, I'd probably make a video on it if it were completely and utterly crazy. That's why I'm doing these YouTube videos, for the products that are interesting or completely nuts. But anywho, I've done my research, I studied it out, presented it to you. I hope it was entertaining. Plus, let me know, does it convince you? Are you going to invest into it or not? In the comment section below. If I get my hands on one, I'll definitely be doing a review for you guys to tell you if it's worth it or not. And I'll keep an eye on it to see where it ends up being. And hopefully that their testing is not just mathematically, this is how it's looking to be, so that's how it's going to be. Yet, math does work in those ways sometimes. So, what do doopsie daisy? I'm in107, your Indiegogo adventure guide. And I'll talk to you all next time. Peace.